Multivariate analysis explores the relationships between three or more variables simultaneously, allowing us to uncover complex patterns that simple analysis misses. To illustrate, let's use the TIPS dataset from the Seaborn library. First, we load the data.
Now, imagine we want to see how total bill correlates with the tip amount. A basic scatter plot shows this trend, but adding the hue parameter transforms it into a multivariate view. By setting hue to sex or time, we instantly visualize how gender or meal timing influences that relationship.
The hue parameter acts as a visual filter, mapping an additional categorical variable to color. This allows us to spot hidden dependencies, like whether smokers or non-smokers tip differently relative to their bill, making multivariate analysis an essential tool for deeper data insights. Multivariate analysis is a statistical technique used to analyze datasets with more than two variables simultaneously to understand the complex relationships between them, while bivariate analysis focuses on the correlation between two variables. Multivariate analysis incorporates additional dimensions, such as categorical groupings, to reveal hidden patterns that might otherwise be overlooked. In this example, we use the TIPS dataset to compare two views of the same data. The first plot performs a simple bivariate analysis by examining the relationship between the total_bill and the tip amount. The second plot introduces the hue parameter, which maps the smoker categorical variable to color, effectively turning the visualization into a multivariate analysis. By using the hue parameter, we can visually inspect whether smoking habits influence the correlation between the bill amount and the tip. This third dimension allows us to segment the data and observe if one group consistently tips differently than the other, providing a deeper layer of insight without requiring a separate plot.
The resulting output displays two scatter plots side by side. The left plot shows a simple relationship between bill and tip, while the right plot adds color-coded points based on smoking status, demonstrating how multivariate analysis allows us to discern if smoker status impacts the tipping behavior across varying total bill values.